Although your first impressions of New Jersey after landing at Newark Airport are the city skyline and smokestacks, there exists so much more wonder and beauty beyond. We have gorgeous beaches, preserved pinelands, and vivacious forests. You can go to the beach in the summer months and ski on the mountains in the winter. Our spring brings blooming flowers and fall beckons radiant foliage. New Jersey consists of around 8,700 square miles with roughly 9.5 million people, making it almost 40% smaller than Taiwan with its nearly 14,000 square miles and 23.6 million people. Of that area in New Jersey, around 40% is defined as urban, making New Jersey the most densely populated state in America. That leaves the remaining 60% of the state land as forests, parks, wildlife preserves, agriculture, and pasture, which is one big reason why we're called the Garden State. Having more than half of the state as open land sounds great and all, but when you are the most densely populated state in the US, 40% urban space is a large number. Due to urban development, 12% of New Jersey is covered with impervious surfaces, while 95% of our rivers are impaired. Stormwater runoff quality, localized flooding, erosion of our streams, and climate change have become major issues that warrant our attention. As green infrastructure advocates, we know there are several ways you and I can help implement green infrastructure solutions in our communities. One of those solutions is installing a rain garden, and this school wanted to take action. By installing one on their property, they're reducing stormwater runoff and helping us become a more climate-resilient community.
Hello, welcome to Bartle Elementary, located in Highland Park, New Jersey. I'm Ms. Shalinsky. I'm going to show you a little bit inside our school where we had a rain garden planted. So it's third grade here at Highland Park. It's a 2 to 5 school, and I teach science as well, which we could talk about more at the rain garden of how this connects to our class. So welcome to Bartle. Go. So this is our rain garden that was installed at Bartle Elementary. It's on the side yard here, and as you can see, it's right next to some of our rain gutters. So the purpose of having a rain garden is to take any storm runoff, any rainwater, and kind of filters it, because naturally some of the water will get polluted into our streamways. So by having the rain garden, the plants naturally filter it. There's also some sand underneath the dirt that helps filter, and it goes out that pipe and goes through some more pipes to get filtered and goes out into the street. It was really cool having my class be able to come out here, because we were able to make some real-life connections and get some hands-on experience in the garden. We have a weather unit in third grade that focuses on being able to collect data and compare how weather's changing. So it'll be cool to also practice our skills of collecting data and seeing how much water we're collecting, and like testing for the different things like phosphorus and nitrogen. So yeah, this is our rain garden.
Hi, my name is Jillian Molboy, and I'm the engineer that designed the rain garden at Bartle Elementary School. The rain garden was designed to collect stormwater from 870 square feet of rooftop at the school. The rooftop runoff is collected by a downspout, which has been disconnected and rerouted into a 250 square foot rain garden. The pipe is surrounded with clean stone to prevent erosion of the soil at the outlet of the pipe. The rain garden was shaped to add onto the existing landscape at the school. At the bottom of the rain garden is a 20-foot perforated underdrain pipe, which helps prevent the rain garden from overflowing. This pipe connects to a non-perforated pipe that runs underneath the schoolyard and out to the road. The students at Bartle Elementary School planted the rain garden with many native plants to create a habitat for pollinators and decrease maintenance requirements. Some of these plants include mountain mint, scarlet bee balm, inkberry holly, and eastern blue star.
What is water pollution?
Water pollution is when trash gets onto the road, and when it rains, it flows into drains, which should go to oceans.
When debris or runoff slide into the ocean or drains because rain is pushing it down and moving it, which pollutes the ocean.
When
storm runoff catches car oil and dirt from the parking lot and takes it down the drain to the river or stream.
Why was the rain garden installed at your school?
So I think it was installed because we have a drain over here, and when it goes in the drain, it eventually gets to the ocean, and all the dirty stuff from the water can go in the drain, which means that the dirty stuff gets in the ocean. But if we have a rain garden, then the water will go in there first, and the rain garden will clean up. It will clean up the dirty stuff, and then it'll go in the drain all clean, and the ocean will stay cleaner.
Well, when the water flows into our garden, it soaks up all the water and it cleans it, mostly. And when it goes into the drains and it leads out to the ocean, after it goes in the streams that lead out to the ocean, it doesn't hurt the animals as much.
So I'm actually Bartle's green team leader, so I run a gardening club myself. So it was really cool to have the experience of like professionals coming in and knowing how to do the rain garden and all the science behind it.
And what do you feel that your students will learn from this project?
It's so cool. They're just getting the hands-on experience behind me. They're doing such a nice job digging, and that's how little kids learn best, just doing it on their own.